I am Nalamar from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today we're presenting you the beautiful brand new 2025 Forest River Cherokee 23 MK. It is a nice travel trailers. Overall length, it should be around 20 to 29 feet. But what I really like about this unit, it has the nice big view window outside. Plus it has a good entertainment centers outside where you have outdoor kitchens such as the fridge, so you could grab your drink. You have an ice maker where could you make your cocktail. Outside shower hot and cold. Outside speakers with the TV brackets, and it come with the bracket. You could hang your TV here and watch a game. And if you bring your own barbecue, you have the barbecue hookup underneath right here, so you could cook, you sit, enjoy. Nice power awning with the LED outside. Another advantage for you, you have a full pass-through storage in the front, 4 stabilizer jack, nice black rim on these tires, beautiful front aerodynamic, 2 propane tank with the cover, electric tank jack with the cover. It's a beautiful unit. Is the Cherokee Grey Wolf 23 MK. You have animals or dogs or cats, you want to put them on leashes right here. You have a really nice rear rack. This rack could drop down and I could put my ice chest, my fire pits, my lounge chairs. They come with the backup camera as you see in the top. Coming over here, you see all the mirrors, all the windows on the Cherokee Grey Wolf, they have mirror reflecting. Outside shower, another outside shower. You have 2 outside shower. You have one on this side and you have one on the other side. City water connection, cable hookup, sunlight, sandy flush. You have a light at night. You could see what you do the hookup. As well, it has the endless hot water heater. All the Cherokee Grey Wolf. Let's go inside and see the beautiful 23 MK inside, because you're gonna love the floor plan from inside. 23 MK, what I like about it, I like this is the nice big view window, and where you sit here, so you could see everything. You could have a nice conversations with the people sitting on the dinette. You could watch the TV, the fireplace, everything, and it's very cozy. But look how beautiful the big view in the back. So when you raise this zebra shade, sorry, I'm going too fast here. Look, you're gonna have a nice view in the ocean or the river first. Unfortunately, you see the RVs in the dealership, but you could see how beautiful this unit with a nice view. And you have 3 windows in the back. You have a big rear sofa, and by the way, this is turned to a bed. And you could see it has a storage underneath as well. Voila, and SIM plug and USB plug. So if you have a laptop, you're sitting here with a laptop, iPad, you have a place to hook it up. And then you could put your drinks when you're sitting here watching a TV. Going here, as you see, it's a beautiful U-shaped dinette, very roomy, and you could see it around it. You have a big storage door on both sides, this side as well the other side. You can see the full storage on it. This is, by the way, to go down and become a bed. Across from the dinette, we have a full kitchen, pantry sink, rice faucet. You could rinse your cup, and again, you could wash your dishes and rinse them. Doors, as you see, place for trash can. That's another touch. More storage you could put here as well. More place for silverware. 3 burner range with a convection microwave electric oven and an air fryer. And facing over here, we have 11 cubic foot refrigerators, run of 12 volt, and as you see, it come with a chopping board, by the way, included right there. And then it come with the TV bracket, so you could put this one right here for your TV, come with it. And then you can do the TV inside, outside. So 10.7 cubic foot reefer, fridge and a freezer, run by 12 volt. And by the way, no worries. We have 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Back to here, we have a place I could put my 40-inch TV and come with the bracket. Nice fireplace, nice touch for storing more stuff. Everybody sitting on the dinette as well the sofa, they could watch the TV with no problem. Full privacy, nobody could see my bathroom, nobody could see my bedroom. If I open this door, I have a pass-through bathroom, which is lead me to the bedroom. Beautiful, nice queen bed, 60 by 80. Full storage on both sides, as well on the top. Another place for TV hookup in the corner. As well, there's a storage underneath this bed. You can see we have these bins. You could use them for socks, underwears. There's more storage here, and there's all storage from outside. You have 110 plug and USB plug on both sides. There's a place here for a breathing machine or bottle of water. And then again, you have full privacy door. So if you close this door, nobody could see in your bedroom. And you have 2 windows for window circulations. Coming over here's huge bathroom. I could use this as a dressing room. So you have over here a nice medicine cabinet with a sink. And then we have here a linen closet, more storage, big toilet, one stand, and there's also another storage, another closets, hanging clothes. And then you have a nice corner shower. You can stand up, no issue for elbow and your height. This is the 23 MK.